I'm Rochelle Vaugh. I'm the new Western Regional at QTL. I just spent my first week here in Connecticut at the factory and have just been blown away. It's been an amazing week, amazing people. My big takeaways are the people and the culture are incredible. Everybody here is very passionate about quality and about what they do. They all are very conscious of why they do everything. They're conscious of their teammates, and everybody is incredible here, very welcoming, and it's a great team. I'm excited to be here.
So right now I am popping the bubbles for the base coat.
Good morning. You like what you do, and
You like
pretty one. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, you do a good job. You guys do a good job.
taking them off of these panels, breaking them into these little strips, and then soldering them all together.
This is a 400 cap. There's just the unit that it's in,
Oh, right.
and it's ELED. So the drivers are under here,
Yeah.
and this is a 400, 100 each. Then it has its dimmers up on top as well.
Wow.
The first 20 years of our history were power supplies, and we're the only LED company that I know of that grew out of a power supply company, which we still do. It represents about 1/3 of our sales every year. And we are now going into developing new electronic power supplies that'll last much longer than the current ones. So it's in our DNA.
That's pretty awesome.
We're so excited to have Rochelle Vaugh on board as our West Coast Regional Manager.
I'm so excited to be here.